Are you still finding it difficult to retouch your images? Then this video is for you. You are welcome to Nicelight Media if this is your first time coming across our page. We specialize in photo editing, retouching, and photography, helping creators improve their skills. So if you're a photographer looking for an editor to help you handle your editing project, we are always available. All we do here is to help photographers easy their workflow by helping them carry out the editing while they focus on shooting. Our rate is affordable, starting from just $3, which is 2,000 naira, depending on the editing job you needed. Now let's jump into the reason why we are here. So we are using this photo from Peace Perfect. When you see this photo, the first thing that will come to your mind is, how can I remove this blemish and this uneven tone? That is the first thing that will come to your mind. Now, there are many ways to remove blemish and to remove uneven tone, but one of the perfect way I love using to remove blemish from my photo is patch tool, and also using the black and white to control, to see the uneven tones and the blemish. Now the first thing you are going to do is to cut out new adjustment layer by clicking Ctrl J. You cut out new adjustment layer by clicking Ctrl J. Then now after clicking Ctrl J, after cutting out new adjustment layer, the next thing I want to do now is to bring out my black and white color. So now you can see this black and white will help you to see the blemish and your uneven tone properly. So now let's take this red down. You can take it down to see what you are working on properly. You can see now. You can see how the photo is looking now. So this will help you. To remove the blemish properly. So now what you are going to do is you circle the blemish, the uneven tone or the blemish you want to remove. Then you take it to a place that have texture. Yeah, you take it to a place that have texture and the same color tone. Yes. So now you can see after removing it from this place, it still have the same color and the same texture. So you have to be dragging it to the place that have the same color and the same texture. Don't forget that. So now you see this. You can see now there's no difference. So you can see. So this is how you do it. You do it gradually by gradually. But if the patch tool is difficult for you to use, you can use your spot healing brush. You can use your spot healing brush to do it. All you have to do is to do it like this and it will clean. But note that when you are using the spot healing brush, that particular place will not have texture. It's going to smooth out the texture from that particular place. And what we are looking for, we have to retain the texture. Yes, so it's better for you to use either healing brush or patch tool. Either these two, you use any of these two, because patch tool you can sample for any place that has the same color, then replace it with the place with blemish. So now you can see, let's do this. Let's do it like this. Now you can see. So you see this will help you keep the texture. But me, I love using patch tool. So I'm going to go back and use my patch tool. So when you are doing this, you have to be careful that you do it gradually by gradually. So I'm going to fast forward this video so that it will not be too long. So now I am done removing the blemish. Let me turn off the black and white so that we can see our results. So you can see now this is before. You see, this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. But there's still something here that we haven't do, which is all this place. We have to clean all this place off. How can we do it? You can use any techniques. Now I will have to circle it, then drag it like this to fill it up. You see, to fill it up like this. You see, do the same thing here. You see now, do the same thing. So you see this. Now this is before and this is after, before and after. Make sure you don't leave your photo like that. You have to remove everything that will make the photo look distractive. You have to remove it. So after doing this, now we are done with our removing of blemish. We are done with removing the blemish. So what next are we going to do? We are going to correct the tone by using frequency separation. We are going to smooth out the uneven tone, then remaining the texture. We are going to smooth out the uneven tone, then remaining the texture. So now you see the before of our removing of blemish, and this is after. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click Ctrl J twice. Ctrl J twice. Sorry. So Ctrl J twice. Now you name the first one low frequency layer, which is abbreviations LFL, which is low frequency layer abbreviation. Then this one high frequency layer, which is HFL, high frequency layer. Now we are working with the low frequency layer. Our high frequency layer is the texture, while our low frequency layer is the color. So now what we are going to do now, we are going to turn off the high frequency layer, then click on the low frequency layer. Then now you come to Gaussian blur, you come to blur, then you come to Gaussian blur. You click on your Gaussian blur. Note that the amount of radius you add to your image will determine the texture you will get. Yes, while the lower the radius, the more plastic your photo will look after you retouch it. Now we are going to reduce the radius to, let me say, okay, let's reduce our radius to 6.4. Yes, 6.4. The image is still sharp, but remaining the tone, that's the color, which we want to smooth out from the texture. So now I'm going to click OK. So I'm going to put a new visible layer here. That's a new blank layer here. Then name it color tone layer. Then I'm going to put this one in a group. Then name it frequency separation, abbreviation F. Frequency separation. I'm sorry, I'm not, you know. So this is it. So what we are going to do here now, we are going to click the high frequency layer, then come to image. On our image, we'll come to apply image. Then you click on apply image. On your apply image, now we are working with 8-bit image. Yes, we are working with 8-bit image. So we are going to change this from merge to low frequency layer, which is the LF layer, which is the low frequency layer. we are going to change the layer to low frequency layer, then change the blend mode to subtract. Then here offset will be 120. If your own is not on 120, you can type 120. Then I will click OK. After I click OK, then I will change the blend mode from normal to linear light. From normal to linear light. Then now we are going to even add the uneven tone. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to turn off the high frequency layer, turn on my black and white so I can see the places I want to even add from the image. So now I'm going to pick my mixer brush tool. Yes. Then click on my low frequency layer. Then my width is going to be 10. Then load is 75. Then miss is 90. Then flow is let me put flow on in 10. Yes, flow will be 10. Flow 10. Then the hardness, set the hardness to 10 or 0. But I'm going to put my hardness in 8. Yeah, 8 is okay. So I will start brushing. So when you are brushing, make sure you brush your image properly. Don't over brush your image. Yes, don't over brush your image. Make sure you brush properly. So I'm just going to brush the parts I need to brush. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So when you are doing this, you have to do it gradually. It's a gradual process. You have to do it gradually by gradually, so that you won't scatter the structure of the face, and you will maintain a proper retouching. You see how I'm doing this? Now let's see. Then now you see. So this is before and this is after. So you see, you can see. So let's continue. So I'm just going to fast forward this place so that this video won't take a lot of our time. So now we have smooth out the uneven tone we want to smooth out from this image. So you can see now we have smooth out the uneven tone. What I'm going to do now is to remove the black and white so that we can see it properly. Let me just do this place. So you make sure you retouch on carefully. Make sure you retouch on carefully. So now let's remove the black and white. So you can see. You see now. See before and after. See before and after. So if your photo is still having blemish on it, you can turn on the black and white, then use spot heal brush to remove those dark spots you are seeing on the photo. So you use it to remove the dark spot. So you do it like this. Any dark spot you see on your photo, you remove it. You remove it. So this is all about this. Now you see that we keep the texture. You can see that we keep the texture. So this is before and this is after, this is before, and this is after. See, before and after. Now see, before, after, before and after. So let's check now. See, before and after, before and after. So I hope you have learned something great from this video. In case you see your photo, if you think the retouching is too much, you can reduce the opacity here. Reduce the opacity. You see, you can reduce the opacity. If you think the retouching is too much, you can reduce the opacity. This is after and this is before. This is after and this is before. So now we are done with the retouching. If you want to put your color grading, you can do your color balancing, then you do your color grading. But today we are just going to stop here. So this is the end of the training of today. Next time we will talk more about retouching. I hope you have learned something great from this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also share our video. This is Nicelight Media. See you in our next session.